Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Bumble. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bumble app. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and tap the search bar. Here, type in Bumble and tap Search. When the search results are shown, tap Install. And wait for it to be downloaded. After the download is complete, open the app. And that's how you download the Bumble app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.